Every single thing that I wrote down in my journal came true. If you guys want to know how to do this, then keep watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kenneth Wong, and my channel is all about self-help, spirituality, and manifestation. If you are a fan of any of these topics, then click that subscribe button so you get notified every time I post a new video. Today's video is all about scripting. First, let's talk about what scripting is. Scripting is a manifestation technique where you basically describe what you want to manifest as if it has already happened. And the reason why scripting works for manifesting is because it helps you cultivate the feeling of what you would like to experience. And the more you think and feel and act in accordance to what you write, the faster you'll be able to attract it into your life. Now, I know for a fact that scripting works because I used it to manifest my dream condo. So stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to show you exactly what I wrote down and how it all came true. But before we get into that, I want to give you 5 steps you can use to script and manifest what you want. The first step to scripting is to be grateful for what you already have. Gratitude is one of the energies with the highest vibrations you can embody. So when you start your script with words of appreciation, you put yourself into alignment with the creative forces of the universe. So bring out your manifestation journal and write down 5 things you are grateful for and how they make you feel. The more you embody the feeling of gratitude, the more supported your desires will be. The second step to scripting is to describe what you want to manifest. Now, this is the best part about scripting. This is the part where you can let your imagination run wild and really create the experience that you want to attract to you. So take your time and write about the desire that you want to manifest. Expand on your script by using your 5 senses to describe your desire and add specific details to it. The more specific you are, the easier it will be to cultivate the feeling of what it feels like to experience your desire. So if you want to manifest a home, don't just write down, I want to manifest a house. Expand on it and describe what your house will look like. What are the colors of the walls? What about the furniture? What about the balcony? What about backyard? So just let your imagination do its thing. This part should feel really fun and really creative and really enjoyable. The third step to scripting is to clarify how your desire makes you feel. So think about your desire and write about how good it makes you feel as if it has already manifested. As I teach in my book, Feeling Good, the way that you feel is your internal barometer for your vibration. And by the law of attraction, energies with similar vibrations are drawn together. So the key to manifesting what you want is to identify the feeling you want to experience and then aligning yourself with it right now. So start a new paragraph and write about the positive vibrations you want to feel. So going back to the example of manifesting a new home, you want to ask yourself these kind of questions. How do you feel when you live in that new home? What kind of positive emotions do you feel when you live there? And why do I want to manifest this new home? The fourth step to scripting is to be open to other possibilities. One of the biggest mistakes when it comes to manifesting is getting too attached to the outcome that you want. Now, even though you may have a very specific picture of what your desire will look like, make sure you tell the universe that you are receptive to all the possibilities that are out there. You don't want to let your attachment to one specific outcome block you from accessing all of the other opportunities that are right in front of you. By staying open to all the infinite possibilities that are out there, you become receptive to all the situations, people, and experiences that serve your highest good. So write down this powerful affirmation to surrender your desire to the universe. Universe, I surrender my timelines, agendas, and plans to you. I trust that everything is working out for my highest good. I know I will manifest this or something better. The final step to scripting is to thank the universe for this opportunity to co-create your desire. Remember that the universe is always conspiring to lead you towards solutions of the highest good for all. So you always want to end your script with more gratitude. So thank the universe for this amazing opportunity to co-create your desire with this prayer of gratitude. Thank you, universe, for your loving guidance and support. I'm so grateful for this opportunity to co-create my desires with you. I'm open to receiving universal guidance, spiritual solutions, and creative ideas. I step back and let you lead the way. Ending your script with more gratitude will raise your vibration even more and put you into vibrational alignment with the creative forces of the universe. So after you're done writing your script, you want to read it over a few times and really feel into the magnitude of the words. Simply have fun with it and really let the words of inspiration elevate your energy. And if at any point in your manifestation you feel out of alignment or you feel down, then simply pick up your script and read it over again and let the words of inspiration bring you back into alignment with your desire. So now that we've gone over the 5 steps for scripting, I want to show you guys how I use scripting to manifest my dream home. So here is my manifestation journal, and this is what I wrote down on September 28, 2020. I live in my own condo in Toronto. It is all white with modern minimal decor. Sunlight flooding through the large floor-to-ceiling windows. I lie down on my queen-sized bed. I am thriving. I feel happy. I am peaceful, calm, and relaxed. I am abundant. I am in the best place of my life. Life is easy and fun. And not even a year later, everything that I wrote down came true. A condo in Toronto, check. All white with minimal decor, check. Floor to ceiling windows, check. And I even manifested the queen-sized bed. This just goes to show that scripting really works for manifesting. Every time I go and read that journal entry that I wrote down, it gives me the chills because every single thing that I wrote down came true. Scripting is like writing a letter to the universe. When you put that request out there and you back it up with positive energy, you will manifest everything you want and more. And that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. And if you want more help on manifesting, then head over to my website. I'll link it down in the description box below. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'll see you in the next video.